Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. Whenever we upload new video, you will get a notification. Hello friends, welcome to New Mind Garden. Are you looking for plants that you could grow in winter? In this video, I am going to talk about best 17 plants to grow in cold temperature. Watch the video till the end so that you can find out the best winter flowering plants for your garden. Let's get started. Cineraria is an annual flowering plant that comes in a variety of colors. These flowers grow in cold temperature but needs shade. You can grow this plant in your garden. Cineraria is a genus of flowering plants in the sunflower family. Cyanthus, commonly known as Kakabik, is a genus of flowering plants in the family Fabaceae. The flowers are very attractive. Pansies are amazing. Their butterfly-shaped flowers are beautiful and are available in many colors. It's a popular winter flowering plant. These slow-growing plants can grow well in a shade. Dahlias are annual plant. The flower size is large. It's commonly a garden plant. They come in variable flower forms, thriving well in morning sunlight. This plant requires consistent care and pruning. Various colors are available in the garden. If you like this flower, you can grow it in your garden. Alyssum. This is a low-growing plant that will spread its flowers like a carpet in your garden. Its beautiful white color enhances the beauty of your garden. It is very less demanding plant as one of the best winter flowering plants. Impatiens flowers are bright and cheerful annuals that can light up any dark and shady part of your garden. Growing this plant is quite easy. They are very sensitive to lack of water and will wilt quickly if they lack water. Use water-soluble fertilizer for best result. Gaginea is a very popular winter flowering plant. The flowers are very attractive. You can grow this plant in your garden. Salvia is also a popular winter flowering plant. There are over 900 species of salvias. This flower is also popular in container garden. They are heat tolerant plants. Salvias thrive in full sun and well drained soil. Inca, beautiful winter flowering plant. You can grow it in your garden. Antirrhinum, commonly called snapdragon, they are famous as dog plant in India. They are very hardy plant. These flowers are also useful for decorative purpose. Stock is a very nice winter flowering plant. If you like this flower, you can grow it in your garden. These plants thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Use liquid fertilizer for better result. Stock is a low-maintenance plant. Asters are popular winter flowering plants. They come in different colors. This plant is native to South America. They can tolerate exposure to full sun, but the pot and soil should be well draining. Petunia. These are annual plants that can be seen in various colors, shapes and sizes. These plants are easy to grow as they just require an adequate amount of sunlight and well draining sandy soil for their seeds to germinate. These plants are small and just growing to bloom. Dianthus. The flowers are very attractive. You can get flower for long days from this plant. Ornamental cabbage is popular as colorful additions to home garden. Various colors of ornamental cabbage can found: white, pink, purple and red. Chrysanthemums, also known as malms or Chandramallika, are amazing flowering plants. They belongs to the family Asteraceae. Most varieties are very easy to grow with their basic needs in full sun, rich soil, good drainage and good air circulation. There are hundreds of varieties available in a range of shapes and sizes. You can grow rose flower in winter. Although rose is a perennial flowering plant, but in winter it becomes special, blooms huge flowers, and the size and shape of flowers are attractive in winter. There is a video in my channel regarding 250 plus rose variety. You can visit my channel to watch the video.